Hey everyone, we're on our way to our very first Hulaween festival. We're packed, we're ready to go. The van is chock full of stuff.
Yes, it is. I can't move. There's shit by my feet.
But there's going to be art installations. It's a music festival, all-around camping festival, and we're going to bring you along with us. So
We have so much to set up, but like at least it's daytime.
at least it's daytime, so let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, we did it. We set up our home camp. We've got quite the setup, so we're gonna take you on a little tour of what we got going on. We got some tents, we got screen
MTV
house.
crib style.
Yeah.
Welcome to my crib.
God, we just dated ourselves so badly.
Yeah, we did.
But let's go take a look and you can see what we got going on for our very first ever Hulaween weekend. So we come back through here, and as we come in to the tent, this is our setup. We've got tapestries. We got Christos back there.
Partying with no music.
Jenna.
That's right. So we got some coolers, we got our food, whole setup out here. And this is where we're gonna be doing our grilling. Now into our tent. This is our tent that we got here. We got a nice spacious area. We decided to go with the foam mattress instead of the air mattress, so we're hoping that's going to play out pretty well, but pretty cozy setup, and we're going to go head into the music festival now.
This isn't it, guys.
I don't think you're doing it right.
We're in the direction.